But I have taping. Finally!
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zeus! Good morning! So itong araw na ito po ay medyo masaya, bittersweet. So si Aliyah okay na siya, nakaka-adjusted na siya kumbaga. Kasi sabi ni Andy nung hinatid niya kanina, diba hindi na nagpahatid sa gate?
Yeah.
Ayaw niya na.
Actually,
kasi sabi niya na.
I said to her, do you know where is your classroom? I said, Muhammad. And she said, oh, she wanted me to bring her at first. And then when I got to the gate, ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya na.
Like what happened in Australia, diba?
So adjusted
after
na
that,
siya.
Yeah, by herself. Didn't even look back.
And ngayon naman, kakagaling lang namin ihatid naman si Mimi. Si Mimi, kagabi, sabi niya to kay Daddy, I don't want to go to school.
Yeah, before she slept. 1 minute before she fell asleep. But
tapos, kanina din, pagising niya.
She enjoyed it naman. I think she's just not used to
the process siguro.
Maybe it's overwhelming. She's never been left alone with
other people
that she doesn't know. But yeah, she cried.
She cried again.
But she was also not in a very good mood.
On and off, on and off.
On and off. But
pagkagising niya actually, maganda yung mood niya. Tapos nung nalaman niyang pupunta ulit siya sa school, nag-iba. Parang syempre, na ano siya, nag-iisip siya. So nung nakita niya yung school, why are we here again?
She said, take me back.
So yun. Hindi namin sure kung paano naman to bukas. Kasi baka hindi na magbihis sa umaga.
Maybe.
Kasi sabi ko lang sa kanya kanina, magsusundo kami kay Aliyah. Baka hindi na siya maniwala. Kasi syempre, lagi niyang gustong sumama, ganyan.
Sabi niya, sinungaling.
Sinungaling ka. So baka may tips kayo dyan, mga mommies, kung paano nyo ginawa. Kasi si Aliyah nun, naalala ko, hindi naman ganito. Mas ano siya, mas ready. Si King din, hindi. Si King gustong-gusto. So, ang mga bata ngayon ay nasa school na. Kami naman ay mag-gym. We have time to work out. Dito kami sa gym. Sama kami ni Eruption kasi ito yung gym nila. Pakita namin sa inyo yung itsura sa loob. And kakamiss, no? Ang tagal na natin hindi nag-gym together.
Because we haven't really had anyone for the kids recently, so it's been, and then we were like supposed to be dieting, and then we keep pushing the dates back because we don't have time at the moment. We're more focused on the kids getting to school.
Itong week na to, no?
So
yung lipat, mga gamit.
And then 2 weeks time again, so lipat again.
At least sa house na natin yan.
Yeah, so a lot's going on. But we need to gym. And I went to bed early. We went to bed like 9:30. So ikaw parang 1 AM you came home, diba?
Gusto mo umuwi ako 1 AM?
Hindi.
Parang gusto mo eh.
Yeah, with me 1 AM pwede.
So ayan, nandito na kami. Wala pa sila, wala pa yung car. O baka nandyan na, baka hinatid lang.
Baka.
Text him kaya. Para we know what to do dahil we don't wanna be late. So we'll work out and we'll let you know guys kung ano yung plans namin for today. But I have taping. Finally! Taping ako for mga batang reels today. Ang dami ako eksena. And si Carty wala. Naku Carty. Kung kailan naman. So si Jill, pwede daw siya later. Pupuntahan niya ako. May assistant ako. Kaya yun. So, see ya.
Are you happy now?
mga zoobs, papunta na ako sa taping. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-shoot kasi kung napapanood ninyo yung mga batang reels, yung character ko doon, akala nila namatay ako. Pero hindi naman natagpuan yung body ko, diba? Parang sinabi lang na nakita yung kwintas, ganyan, tapos may katawang nakuha. Pero yung katawang nakuha is si Olga, yung naging kalaban ko doon. Pero kasi hindi naman nila yun alam dahil ako lang naman yung nakakaalam na nakipagsalpukan ako dun sa mga tao ni Scarlett. Anyway, eto, I'm so happy kasi papunta na ako ngayon sa taping. Sa sobrang tagal kong hindi nag-taping, mga 1 buwan, na-miss ko syempre sila. Hahatid ako ni Andy at saka ni Mimi. Mimi was so good kanina sa school, di ba, Mims?
Yeah, I did puzzles. Can I say hi? Hi.
What did you do in school? Ang dosing.
I did puzzles, Ducky, Horsey, and my teacher Joanna.
Teacher Joanna.
Do
Do you like her? You went to the toilet.
Yeah, I peed on the toilet. I pee in the toilet.
In their toilet. You like it? And then you wash your hands, you said?
Yeah, like this.
With
soap.
Mm.
And I played.
Oh, you show them. You tell them.
I love it. And then on school. Why? You waiting for me in car?
Yeah, kasi hindi pwede doon ang adult. Only kids.
No, only you.
Teachers lang.
No, you. Only you.
Ang bait-bait ni Mimi, sabi ng teacher, mas manageable daw siya today. And napansin namin ni Andy, after school, sobrang dami niyang kwento. Di ba, Mims? You like it? You like it, di ba? Kaya nakakatuwa yung improvement niya. So, tomorrow is another kwento. Pero nakatulog siya ngayon sa kotse. Kanina on the way, papunta kila Eric, nung sinundo namin si Aliyah, nakanap siya sa kotse kasi usually nagigising kami ngayon ng 6, 7, ganyan, which is good. Talagang napaka-productive ng morning namin ni Andy. Isipin nyo, nakapag-gym na kami habang nasa school ng mga bata. Tapos ngayon, papunta pa akong taping. I'm sure medyo pagod ako ngayon dahil marami akong eksena. Pero, may time naman akong matulog. So, pagdating ko doon, magme-makeup muna ako. Tapos matutulog ako kasi kung hindi pa naman ako kailangan, di ba? Kailangan ko i-save yung energy ko. So, ayan mga zoobs. I'll update you kapag nakapunta na ako doon.
Hi, Memes. What are you doing?
Got another flower.
You got another flower.
Copy me.
So we're just here at Tita Eruptions. We dropped Mummy at work, as you saw. And the kids are having fun here in the pool.
Guys, I just did a backflip. Look at this.
So they're just swimming now. They've been swimming for like 30 minutes already. But we'll let them swim, waste their energy, and then we'll probably eat some food.
Daddy.
Yes, baby. Go, 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 go.
Yes, yes.
Every day, Tono.